Hey, let me show you my 5 tips to the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3. So the first one will be definitely about the sound quality. So we can increase the sound quality by first adjusting the sound equalizer. So you have to go to the more right here in the Huawei AI Live application, and as you can see, you can find 6 default presets that you can pick to your own preferences. In my case, I always using the bass boost. For me, it sounds the best. I'm also listening to the most type of this kind of the music with the big bass, but also you can create your own by tapping on the plus in the right upper corner, and you can set the equalizer to your own preferences. But I'm not honestly really familiar with these options, and I'm not using this one. I'm just using this default preset, the bass boost, and I can also recommend you if you are listening to the same type of the music like me. And next, go to the sound quality and switch from the connection quality to the sound quality. And thanks to this, we will be able to get the LDAC audio codec. So right now, when you go to the settings, as you can see, that's the Bluetooth audio codec that appears, the LDAC. So that's the lossless audio codec that allows us to get the best quality. Of course, you have to remember to also listening to the Tidal or Apple Music with the highest possible audio quality. And thanks to this, you will get the best possible quality of the FreeBuds Pro 3. In the next, I can also recommend you to go to the gestures and just simply take a look what you can do with this sensor. So I don't know if you know this, but in the swipe gesture, you can actually adjust the volume level of your songs. So if you are listening to the music, you can swipe up or swipe down, like on the preview, just like this, and you will increase or decrease the volume level. So let me show you. I have to also put this one to the ear. So when you swipe up, we have to select to adjust volume, of course. And as you can see right now, I'm swiping up and down, and I can change the volume level of my phone. So that's pretty useful. And also on the pinch, you are able to skip songs, go to the next or the previous song, or simply play and pause by pinching once, twice, or the 3 times. When you go for another tip, I can definitely recommend you to take a look sometimes for this update software to be sure that you are running on the latest version. You know, sometimes they are fixing some bugs and improving also the quality of the calls, of the music and stuff like that. Here you can also tap on the settings icon to enable the automatic update of the software. I can recommend you to stay with this one, so when the new update comes, you will get the notifications. Then you can go to the settings, and when you are playing games with your FreeBuds Pro 3 or watching some videos, I can also recommend you to turn on the low audio latency. So that's very useful because you will almost synchronize the screen of your video with the voice. So there will be no any delay between your video and your sound that comes to your earbuds. And right here we've got all of these options, and there's also one interesting option with the connection center. So we can use the multi-connection right here when you turn it on, and you can simply switch between your devices by tapping like so. So if you want to quickly switch from your phone to your TV, all you have to do is just to click on this TV. You don't have to open the settings with your remote control on the TV. You can only click and you will be immediately switched to the TV or any other device that you set up right here. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all my favorite tips for the FreeBuds Pro 3. That's all. Bye bye.